Okay, welcome to another tutorial. This is about long division, our favorite. Long division, the way we did it back in the day, is a little bit different to how we teach the children nowadays. So if you look at the first calculation that we've got here, it's 375 divided by 15. And we're going to use this method here called divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Okay, I'll explain that in a little while when we come to it. Now, the 15 times tables, it's not something that people would know. And I'm going to show you a little method which is going to help us to write all the 15 times tables down without doing too much mental maths. So the way we're going to do it is we're going to take 15 and partition it into 10 plus 5. Okay, so 10 plus 5 is 15. That basically is 15 times 1 is 15. Then we're going to go 20, 30, 40, 50, all the way down 80, 90, and 100. Okay, and then we're going to add 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and then 50. Now if we add these together, and it shouldn't take too long to add together, hopefully. So what I'm doing is I've just gone down in my 10 times table, gone down in my 5 times table, so it's not too difficult for me to do. Add these two together, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, 135, and 150. So what I've got here now is I've got all of my 15 times tables up to 15 times 10. Now what I do, I'll go back to my question. So I'm going to follow the method here of similar to the short method, but we're going to introduce this DMSB. So I'm going to ask myself, 15, how many times does it go into 3? Well, it doesn't, so I'm going to put a 0 there. I'm going to carry the 3 to make it 37. How many times does 15 go into 37? So if I look here, I've got 15 times 2 is 30, and 15 times 3 is 45. So obviously I can't do 15 times 3, so I'm going to do 15 times 2. So 15 times 2 goes there. The answer is 30, so it goes there underneath. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 37, subtract 30. So the answer is 7. So I've done the subtract bit. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the B part, which is bring down. So I'm going to bring down this 5. Then I look at my times tables again, and I can see here I've got 75, and that goes 15 times 5 is 75. So 15 times 5 is 75. When I do the subtraction here, I don't really need to do it because I know that the answer is going to be 0. So in this particular question, there are no remainders. So the answer to the question, 375 divided by 15, is 25. I'll do some more tutorials and some more questions